Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Netlify sites by exporting builds and data. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Netlify sites, start by opening your Netlify dashboard. Log in to your Netlify account. Select the site you wish to backup from your list of projects. In the site dashboard, navigate to the Deploys tab. Locate the specific deploy you want to backup. Click on the three vertical dots next to the deploy you wish to export. Select the download option from the drop-down menu. This action will download a zip file containing the build assets. Next, locate the Site Settings tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down and find the Site Information section. Here, you can manually copy important site details like the site name and custom domains. For backup of data, access your site's repository. If your site uses GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, go to your repository. Clone the repository to your local machine using Git. Run the command git clone repository URL in your terminal. Once cloned, you'll have a complete backup of your code. If you're using forms or functions, ensure you also back them up separately. Check your Netlify dashboard for any additional settings you might need. Consider exporting environment variables if you're using them. Record any third-party integrations and settings for future reference. After completing these steps, store the downloaded files securely. Your Netlify site is now backed up effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.